sheriff goes, "Ah!" and drops his bag of money. Today, we are going through the legend, the story of Robin Hood. This is Robin Hood. Robin Hood. Robin Hood is a thief. He's a thief, but he is not an ordinary thief. He is not an ordinary thief. Let's find out why. Why? Okay, Robin. He's very, very good with a bow and arrow. He's very good with a bow and arrow. Look, look. He fires an arrow right through the center of an apple. Perfectly. Straight through the apple. Straight through the apple. He's very, very good with a bow and arrow. Now, this is Robin Hood's enemy. This is the sheriff. The big, evil, mean sheriff. The sheriff takes money from all of the poor people, all of the poor peasants and people that live in his town. He is very, very evil. He is very evil and greedy. He's very, very greedy. He steals their money. He steals it. He's a bad man. A very bad man. Look. The sheriff is sat on his throne. He's sat on his throne with a big pile of money. A big pile of money. A heap of money. All for himself. All for himself. He is very, very greedy. He's a very, very greedy, evil man. Robin Hood does not like this. Robin Hood does not like this. One day, the sheriff is walking. He's walking through Sherwood Forest. He's walking through Sherwood Forest. Robin Hood lives in Sherwood Forest. He lives there. The sheriff has his big bag or sack of money on his back. He's holding it on his back, sweating and panting. It's very, very heavy because he's stolen a lot of money. Robin Hood sits in a tree. He sits in a tree with his bow and arrow, and he sees the greedy sheriff. He sees the greedy sheriff, and he thinks, I'm going to take your money. I'm going to take your money and give it back to the poor people, the people with no money. He's a very noble man. He sees the sheriff. He draws his bow and arrow, and he fires. He fires. He fires his arrow right at the sheriff's feet. Right at the sheriff's feet. The sheriff is very, very scared. He's very scared. The sheriff goes, ah, and drops his bag of money, his big bag of money. He drops it. He drops his money. He's very, very scared of Robin Hood. He is very, very scared. He is terrified. He is terrified. Robin Hood takes the money. Robin Hood takes the money from the sheriff, and he says to the sheriff, "Go away, sheriff. You leave, you evil, stealing man. Go away. I'm going to take this money back to where it belongs. To where it belongs. You go. Leave." And the sheriff leaves. He's very, very annoyed. He's very, very annoyed. Robin Hood takes the money through the forest, on his back, in the bag, the big bag of money, and Robin Hood is crying with laughter. He's crying with laughter. Every time. He's crying with laughter. As he goes to take the money back to the poor people, the peasants that the sheriff originally stole the money from. And he says, "Here you go, everyone. I have stolen from the rich, and I'm giving to you, the poor, because I am a nice, noble man, and the sheriff was a greedy thief. So I'm stealing it back for you." The moral of this story is, do not steal and get greedy, I think. Let me know in the comments below what you think the moral of this story is. What is it? I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Have a good day. Mwah. Bye-bye.